Welcome everyone. This is Mohammed Tazammul. We are Team Beautyfly. Today we are here to represent you a website that we have cloned in Concert Peak in Masai. So we have cloned .nk skincare website. .nk is a new age skincare brand with products such as moisturizer, serum and oil and other skincare products. We are total 5 members in our team, including me, Ankit, Yashas, Rishabh and Shruti, and I was leading the team. So we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript on the front end, and we have used local storage and API authentication on the backend side. Now I will walk you through the landing page of our website. So this is the landing page of our website. On the nav bar, you can see there's a search input where you can search for any product related to our website, as well as on the left hand side, you can see an icon where if you will click, a hamburger menu will pop up and you can further proceed with all products page. Now, if I talk about the other things on the landing page, so there's a carousel which is automatic as well as manual. So you can click on any navigation button and you will be moved to the next slide. Next slide. This is also a carousel which is automatic as well as manual. And further, you can see the top seller products of our website. And if you will click on any product, you will be redirected to product individual page where you can see the details regarding to that product, as well as if I want to add this product into the cart. So I just need to simply click this add to cart button and this product will be added to the cart. But there's a validation. First, you need to log in to add this product to your cart. Now, further, you can move according to the any topic of any celebrity, whoever you like, as well as you can shop according to your favorite categories. Now, on the other things, you can see we have taken care every little things in our products. For example, our products are dermatologically tested as well as cruelty free. This carousel is also automatic as well as manual, and as well as you can see the reviews given to us by different magazines for our products, as well as the customer reviews on our products. You can move through them and you can read. So this was a landing page of our website. Now I would like to call my teammate Rishabh to further explain the functionality of sign up and login. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tazammul. For the login, first you have to click on the icon of the profile pic. You can log in by the Facebook, Google, or if you have an account previously, you can just enter your email and password. Or if you don't have your account, you have to sign up. For that, you have to enter your first name, last name, email, and password. And all the fields are mandatory. If not, it will not create your account, as I have an account previously. So I have just entered my email address and the password and signing. And after signing up successfully, you can just order the product from the website. That's all from my side. And now Ankit will be explaining you the product page. Thank you.
Thanks, Rishabh. Whenever user comes on a product page, they can see all the product. They can add a product to cart by clicking on add to cart button. They can filter all the product by its category. I'm filtering for serum and oil. All the serum and oil products are present here. At the same time, user can filter by its alphabetical order. Price and rating, I'm filtering for price, low to high price. Similarly, user can search the product by its name or its category. I am searching for gel. All the gel products are present here. Uh, User can see details about the product by clicking on product. User can see all the images of product. User can see offers of the product. User can read the description. User can put the product to wish list. User can choose a size, and user can add a product to cart. After that, SS will handle cart page. Over to SS. Thank you.
Thank you, Ankit. This is the cart page. All the cart items are displayed here with product image, name, quantity, and price. This is the remove button. You can remove the items here. You can increase or decrease the quantity here. If you click on checkout, it will go to the next page, checkout page. Here you can add address. These are all the cart items displayed here in the left side. If you click on continue the shipping, it will go to the next page, shipping page. This is the user address displayed here. If you want to edit the address, you can go back to the return to the information. If you click on continue the payment, it will go to the next page, payment page. The further part will be explained by Shruti. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashas. This is payment page. Contact and ship to data is appear from backend and users chooses the Paytm option for transaction and billing address same as shipping address and click on complete order. User go to next User go to next page. Here, user click on debit credit card option. Enter detail page will open and user enter the card number, month, year, CVV number. User click on pay button. User go to order detail page. Here, order ID can be seen by which user can track his order and detail his order product can also be seen by click on go to our website. User directly go to landing go to landing page and can log out from here. This was the whole journey of a user on our website. Thank you so much.